I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce with chili powder. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and equipment. Then, I will guide you through the simple cooking process, ensuring a delicious outcome. Finally, you will learn how to customize your sauce and store it properly for enjoyment over several weeks. This guide makes homemade hot sauce easy and fun. To begin, you will need about 1/2 cup of your favorite chili powder. For the liquid, grab 1 cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, plus 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt to enhance the flavor. You will also need a medium saucepan and a powerful blender to achieve that perfect smooth consistency. First, combine your chili powder, vinegar, water, and spices in a saucepan. Stir everything together well. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, letting it cook for about 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, carefully transfer the hot mixture to your blender and process until it is completely smooth, which usually takes about 1 minute. Now for the fun part, customization. If you prefer a hotter sauce, simply add an extra tablespoon or 2 of chili powder. For a touch of sweetness, stir in 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Once cooled, pour your delicious hot sauce into sterilized bottles. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 or 3 months. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.